Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for coming. Make sure you subscribe if you've been here before. Welcome back. So today I'll be coming at you with a brow tutorial and lash application video. It has been highly requested, so I will be using the Forever Magic eyebrow gel in the shade Abracadabra Black. I have a coupon code for this in the description of this video. It also comes with this spoolie, which has an angled brush on the opposite end that you'll be using to apply the gel with. So it's so convenient. So first I start by brushing my brows into place, just getting them where they need to be because I have very wild eyebrows, so this just helps to place them where I need them. And I'll take the lighter shade in this duo. It comes with a dark side and a light side, so I use the lighter side to outline my brows. I just take the bottom and just outline the natural shape of your brows, just like so. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing on the top, but instead I'm going to create an arch that I do not have and just connect the two ends, and there you have it. Just that simple. I promise you, if you practice, it'll get easier and easier. So I'm just taking that same shade and we're just going to fill in the outline that we made. Really simple. And I'm just going to do light strokes in the front. You want the front of your brow to be a little bit more natural than the tail end. It gives a more natural looking brow than so boxy. So now I'm going to take the darker shade in the duo, and we're just going to use this to fill in the ends of my brow. So I like for the tail end to be a little bit darker than the rest of my brow, which gives you that ombre effect that everybody likes to have with their brows. So this just gives me just that. So now I'm just taking the spoolie in and brushing through my brows to disperse the product evenly and doing the same thing on the opposite brow. Super simple. So this is an angled brush from Eco Tools. I don't know if it's specifically for brows, but that's what I use it for. So we're going to take the Jordana Take Coverage Full Cover Concealer in the shade Cinnamon on the bottom and 14 Toffee on the top. This is also by Jordana. And we're going to clean up the brow. So I'm just adding that to that angled brush, and we're going to clean up the bottom with the lighter shade. You could go a little bit lighter than this, but when I'm having a natural makeup day, I like for it to look a little bit more natural than so, I don't know, arched, if you will. So we're just taking an e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush just to blend out that concealer, and then we're going in just to clean up any changes that we want to make. I had a spot that I missed, so that's what I was doing, and we're just repeating that same step on the opposite brow. So once you do this a few times, it'll be like your everyday routine, and it'll be so easy to do, I promise you. So I'm just taking that shade Toffee on the top of my brow. And I couldn't see y'all. If you know me, you know I wear glasses, and I was struggling to record this without having them on. So yeah, that's why I got a little bit close to the mirror. But you can still see what I was doing. And I like to make my concealer thick so that when I go in with my brush to blend it out, I don't have to get so close to my brow and risk messing it up. And we're just brushing through the front of that brow so they have a natural start to them. And yeah, that's it. So for the lashes, I don't know where these lashes are from, but I'm just using an lash applicator that I got from lashlevels.com. You can get these anywhere. And Duo, the brush on lash glue, this is my favorite one to use because it dries fairly fast and it's easy to apply the lashes with because it's not super runny. So I let them dry for about 30 seconds. You don't have to blow them if you don't, but it speeds up the process. And I'm just going to line my lash line very, very thin, you guys, with a little bit of liquid liner. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Not making a wing or anything, but of course if you were wearing makeup you would do so. But I like to do this especially for beginners. If you're not close enough to your lashes or your lash line, this will kind of disguise that. So I'm going to take a small compact mirror. Any mirror would do. Just look down into the mirror so you can really truly see where your lash line is, and place the tweezers in the middle of the lash and sit it in the middle of your eye. So if your glue is tacky enough, it will sit there. That's how you know that it is ready to be applied. So I just take the tweezers and go on both ends of the lash and press it into my lash line. If, like I said, if the lash glue is dry enough, it will make the process so easy. So I'm just using those tweezers to press it in to make sure that it is all the way secure. You don't want your lash lifting throughout the day. You want to make sure that it is in place until it is time to take them off. So I use my fingers to press my real lashes into the false lashes so that you can't see where they are separated. It looks like these are your lashes, even though they're not. So I'm repeating those same steps on the other eye, placing the lash in the middle of my eye, and then taking the ends and securing them and pressing the false lashes into my real lashes. So yeah, you guys, this video was highly requested. I hope that it has been helpful for you. So if you haven't already, please make sure that you comment, like, share, and subscribe. I thank you guys for watching. Please be on the lookout for my next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.